I dealt with mine.
So the way you suffer, they should suffer.
Yeah, they should suffer.
Come out of Hi guys, welcome back to the Studentship YouTube channel. Today I'm here live at the University of Nigeria. I'll be going around asking students, information about their course of study. I can assure you that you are going to find this video helpful. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. Department and level.
Mary, social work.
Okay.
I just graduated.
Wow, congrats. Social work. So can you tell me, what does social work as a department in university? What's the course all about?
Okay, it's about putting you through a 4-year course where you learn the thing, where you learn what social work is about, and it's just helping people to manage their problem, help them solve their problem, enhance their coping capacity to deal with societal problem, personal problem, and everything. Yeah, something like that.
Okay. So I'm just trying to get is it like you go out to meet people? And
yes, we do. We go for field work.
Is it related to counseling?
Yes.
Okay.
But it's different from counseling.
Okay, it's different from counseling.
Yes.
Okay. I think by the time we go on, we'll still get more insight about it.
Okay.
So why did you decide to study social work?
I'm not going to lie. I went for law first.
All right.
And I didn't get law.
Okay.
So I just had to shop for the available course.
Okay.
And that's how I found myself here. And I enjoyed the course.
So like, how was the experience? Is it a tedious course? Is it very, very challenging that, with the lectures from morning to evening? How was the experience throughout your stay in university?
There's no course that is not stressful or that will bring a challenge. So I won't say it was totally challenging. It's just the normal stress that someone in another department can say that they've experienced.
Okay.
We go for field work on Tuesday and Thursday.
Okay.
To go to schools, hospital, prison, depending on where you're posted.
Okay.
So that's part of the stress, yeah.
Is it at your final year, your third year, like when you go for your?
Start from first year.
Okay, from your first year.
Yes.
From first year. So like when you guys go out to those places, like what do you guys do there?
We familiarize with the environment and we scan the people there and decide who needs our attention, who has a problem, and then we'll sort of like connect with them. Okay. So be able to interact and know what the issue is and put them through steps to solution. Okay,
thank you. How would you say social work as a department, how lucrative it is, in Nigeria? Like after graduation, what next? What are the opportunities?
The truth is, we've been trying to make it a professional course.
Okay.
From the Senate or Parliament or something. We want them to implement it, just like pharmacy, medicine. They're all recognized as a professional course. They have their license, they are paid and everything. The same way we've been trying to make the government to make it a professional course, employ people, open up more sectors and stuff like that, because it's not yet made a professional course.
And it has to do with human lives, like people.
Yeah, something like that. It's more practicable overseas than in Nigeria.
Okay. So why?
There are places where they can work, hospital and stuff like that, but it's not. I don't know if the percentage, something like that. It's not still upcoming. The other universities, they have people that study social. It's just that Nigeria just don't want to recognize it yet.
Okay. But abroad, there are opportunities abroad.
Yes.
All right. So as a student here, did you have the opportunity to engage in any side also, any extracurricular activities? Was there any opportunity?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, it's something do assignment for people. It's not.
Just hustling generally.
Yeah.
Just an hustler. Okay. But did it have any negative impacts in your academics? Maybe.
No, I was able to balance everything.
Balance everything.
Yeah.
To advise you for students generally, from your experience.
Students generally, or students in my department?
Both in your department and generally.
Oh, for those ones in my department, I guess they just have to go through what we went through. We survive, so they will survive. At the end of the day, they will still have their lecture, they will still write the exam. It's just time.
Okay.
And then for the students in general, whatever school stress they are dealing with, they should just they should deal with it. Because I did with mine, so they should deal with theirs. They'll get used to the stress. They'll get used to the stress. They'll survive.
Yeah, they survive. What was that like? They survive.
I dealt with mine.
So they really suffer. They should suffer.
They should suffer.
And come out of it. Well, was there any
it.
like study strategy you used? Probably any technique you used?
Well, I used to read before exam.
Okay.
I even used to read before school resumes.
Wow.
And then I realized that a few days to exam or a few weeks to exam, when I opened the textbook to read again, it seems as if I've forgotten details. So I just had to like stop it and told myself maybe a week to exam or 2 weeks, you just read and it will be fresh in your memory.
Okay. And it's worked for you?
Yeah, it works for me. For them, maybe something different will work for them. So they should just discover what works for them and go and do it.
Oh, thank you very much. It has been nice speaking with you. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.